It's important for United Way of Metropolitan Chicago to promote awareness and strengthen the Earned Income Tax Credit and the Child Tax Credit, credits that help these low-wage working families keep more of what they earn to pay for things like childcare and groceries. Part of United Way's work in financial stability, we partner with volunteer tax providers to ensure low-income families get the tax credits they've earned, like the Earned Income Tax Credit. Local volunteers help low-income workers prepare and file their taxes free of charge to ensure they are getting the best refund for their families through the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program.
Center for Economic Progress has been a United Way partner since 2009, and in the Brighton Park community, we've been a partner since 2013. The Center for Economic Progress is in about 15 different communities all around Illinois, 14 in the Chicago metro area and 1 in Springfield, and we provide financial services for low-income working families and act as a trusted provider of financial services.
We've been having the relationship with Center for Economic Progress for about 4 years already, and we have seen a great impact through our housing clients and ACA, and of course the schools. Taking advantage of this income, we primarily serve low-income families, and they run into hardships when they have to have their taxes prepared, and having this program here at Kelly High School has definitely been a great impact to them, because that's a little extra money that they can save and apply towards other expenses.
The Earned Income Tax Credit and Child Tax Credit are some of the nation's strongest tools to help lift working families out of poverty. Research shows these tax credits encourage work, reduce poverty, and lead to long-term gains in child health and educational success.
Some of the benefits from people coming in to do their taxes for free is that they don't have to worry about finding someone that would be willing to do their taxes or worry about the cost of getting their tax returns completed. And it's also really amazing to see them when they come in and they're like a little bit confused. Sometimes taxes are hard for people to understand, or they don't know if they're completely prepared to bring in everything that they need.
Before, I was doing it electronically at home, and I kind of didn't really feel comfortable enough because I didn't know if I was doing it correctly. So last year I came in and signed up for the services, and I was pretty pleased at how quickly it was done and how easy the whole process went.
It is fantastic. I wish I would have known earlier. I would have been coming earlier. And I want to let everybody know that it's so simple. A few questions, personal questions, of course, because the government got to know for you to get help.
More than 440,000 Illinois families access the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Tax Credit, and we see the power of these credits firsthand right here in our local community.
The last tax season, we serviced about 18,634 individuals, and that gave a refund of over $30 million. So that's $30 million back into the pockets of people in these communities.
Well, I paid some much needed bills, debt that I had, and I was able to take my kids out to, enjoy the day, and then I put some money up in the bank.
I always have a plan. If I don't need it, somebody in the family does. So that's how it works.
Join us and spread the word about the value of volunteer income tax assistance and the Earned Income Tax Credit.